This is your reminder not to go to Costco on a Sunday. Y'all, I could barely record in there because I'm a little camera shy. You are my type.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3-4 times 16. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared of you, no, I'm not. Long as you joking down here for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, doing, hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got.
Good morning. Well, actually, y'all, it's still good morning. Hey y'all, so this is another weekly vlog of, well, I guess it's another moving diaries weekly vlog, girl, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, today's goal is to grocery shop, so I have an extensive list. Hold on. We have an extensive list of things that I need to get. The goal is to go to Costco and Publix just to grab some few things because I need to stock up my fridge. I have already bought a couple stuff on here, so I'm just gonna cross that out, but it's almost 12 o'clock. I slept in. I was supposed to wake up at 6 and go work out because I haven't worked out all month, but that's okay. We can either do that today or tomorrow and then come back and I guess I have to see what's on my to-do list. I don't know how people can function without a to-do list. I am literally all over the place if I don't have one, but I think my goal today was to listen to a sermon. I gotta listen to a sermon, and then I'm gonna go have a massage. I do want to get my eyebrows done, but I feel like I would just probably do that tomorrow or another day. It's beautiful out here in the A. It is hot as shit. It's 86 degrees and it's not even in the 12 in the afternoon. But I'm gonna sip on some tea before I go. This is cinnamon ginger honey with zinc. I am trying to get back with my health kick because y'all, I've just been eating like shit. I just weighed myself this morning, thankfully. I've only gained about like a couple pounds, nothing crazy. Maybe 2 pounds, but you gotta get this body right. Body's tea though, don't sleep. My body is still tea. Okay, all right. Let's hurry up and head out. Currently way too many people here. I'm gonna film what I can. Reminder not to go to Costco on a Sunday. Y'all, I could barely record in there because I'm a little camera shy, but everybody and their mama and their kids and their aunties and their grandmas are all in Costco. It didn't dawn on me that it was actually Sunday. So yeah, now we're just heading to Publix just to grab 1 or 2 things, and then I think I'm done. This might sound crazy, but y'all, I like to get, actually let me turn this down, I just realized. So there's a specific yogurt called Ziggy's or something, but unfortunately only like Whole Foods carry that type of yogurt. I am so tempted to just go to Whole Foods just to go grab that, but I gotta see like if Whole Foods is in my way or not, because if it's not, then I'm gonna go grab it.
You are my type, believe me. Ooh, I don't know what I'm selling shots, baby. You really look good. I need to bless you. When you're free, sex me, that's just what I needed. You got it, that's what I needed. You got it, that's what I needed. You got it, got what I needed. I got what you need. Shopping bag, Louis shoes, pot the tag. That's for you. Diamond necklace, that's for you. I just blew a chuck or two. Girl, my mind been set on you. Yeah, you know I fuck with you.
Let me update you guys on what's been going on in my house. So basically, I have gotten my TV mounted. Now I need a new TV because unfortunately when we were moving, my TV, it's basically broken, long story short. My room is also up. I think it's perfect height. I don't know about my living room. And then for my bed, excuse the mess, we got a bed frame. However, the bed frame is high as shit, but I like it, so we'll see. We have to get some bedding for that. My house look a goddamn mess. Y'all see all this stuff. So right now I'm just about to film, just cleaning my dishes, because y'all, I needed like my dishes situated.
Love is blue. What are we getting into? Let me tell you, girl, before you go, yeah, there's a few things you should know. I'm still struggling with the do's and don'ts, but I felt compelled to let you know that you a bad little thing. True religion dreams, girl, I see you. Super queen, yo, what's good with you and me? Oh, what's good? Chasing dreams, yo, hit me when you're free, yo. Free, sex me, that's just what I need, baby. Oh, it's just what I needed. Oh, it's just what I, yeah. You got what I need and I got what you need. When I look at you, I see someone I don't deserve. Then I pretend like my vision blurred. Is it love? I'm searching for a different word. Looked at me, said when it disoccurred. Soon as I see you in mini skirt. Soon as you hit me with smile first. Soon as I heard how your mind works. Me and my girl, we just diverted. We just went our separate ways, yo. And she love me cause I'm paid up. Therefore, I don't want makeup. Yeah, I saw something different in you. Had to